What's up, y'all? It's the Maverick, and I'm back with another episode of Shoe Talk. Today we have the Ma Maniére Air Jordan 4s. They're a woman pair, so stay tuned for the unboxing. I did just do a video on the Black Toe Reimagined ones, so make sure y'all check that out. And we also have another banger coming out later, so be sure to check that out. Let's get to the unboxing. Alright, y'all, this is the box that it comes in. Super hefty box. The size tag reads Fossil Stone Metallic Pewter. Alright. Then you can see the Jordan sign right here. Then once you open the box, I noticed there's a Converse sign, and what is this, a Nike sign? Yeah. So once you open it, you'll see both those signs. This is the top of the box. You can like open it up. It's giving like alien vibes. Got the Ma Maniéres all over the box. It's wrapped in this nice fabric. Ooh. Ah. As you can see, it has like that fossil stone color. I did read that it's actually pink, but we just gonna go with fossil stone color. We have like the nubuck material. It's very, very soft. And then we have like this rough material by the toe box. We have black right here. And then we have like an aged sole, and this is like a burgundy. So it's like a two-tone colored midsole. Of course, we got the Nike Air on the back. And then this is what the tongue looks like. This is like hard. It's not like sewn in. It's like a hard sign. Then on the inside, I just noticed that it has the Ma Maniére symbols like all over. Like how it was on the box, it has it right here. And then it has it right here by the netting. Has a quilted material on the inside of the shoe. I really like the color too. It's really, really nice. You can tell they took their time to make this shoe. Then on the inside, it has its while you were sleeping. You gotta take out this, and then you can see it on the bottom. These are one out of the 6 pairs that they dropped in that collection. By far, I think the best pair. It also comes with a few lace swaps. Got these laces. That's got the hang tag on it. This. Really, really nice. I think they did very well with this shoe. I really like it. I love the color. I can see how they say it's like a pink tone color. I love the colors. I like the burgundy. I like the inside. Like, this is nice. Definitely cop. They did come out today, September 26th, in women's sizes. So if you get a chance to cop these, definitely cop. These are nice. I don't see these flopping. I'm not gonna lie. I feel like people gonna see that they missing out and get these shoes. They really nice. Yeah, y'all. This has been another episode of Shoe Talk. Make sure y'all like, follow, and subscribe. 3_shoe_room. My Instagram, the Maverick. I definitely say cop these if you can. They're really, really nice. But make sure y'all stay tuned for the next video.
When you beat the body in the studio, they say my style is original.